Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after the RBA on Tuesday, the bearish sentiment increased, sending the Australian dollar back towards the bottom side of its range, seen at 67.6075. In light of the pattern, I do feel the market has potential to rebound again from this level, and if so, could see a rise up towards 68.55 to 69.35. That being said, a break of 67.60 will be devastating for the bullish outlook, as it could open way back towards the region. We go to a broader case, that is towards 66.60-65. So do keep an eye on that level just in case the market does take the challenge to the downside. Looking at the euro, the market is now pressuring the bottom side of the range, seen around 102.30.45. A break here could give further weakness and look towards, from the broader assessment, down towards 101.70, and then little support is seen until 99.5. Looking ahead, we do have the numbers out of the US, being the US ISM services, and also the non-farm payrolls on Friday. But also keep an eye out later for the FOMC minutes, which could also trigger certain volatility after the overnight price action for the US dollar rallied to a fresh 20-year high of 106.55. The dollar yen is a little bit weaker into today's session and looking towards the level of 134.70. A break there would give further scope to the downside and look towards the region of 133.70.90 for profit taking likely to emerge. Given from the technicals, I do still support this level, that is, of holding around 133.70.90 if reached, but the bears are still weighing on the support. Sterling dropped back towards the levels seen back in 2020 in March, around 119.20.45. We do need to see a recovery very soon, otherwise we could see further weakness for the pound, that is towards 118.15.30 to 117.40.45 if the support level is taken out from a New York close at 119.20. This in terms could see weakness for sterling CAD, however it has respected the level at 155.20 and while holding could potentially see a rise due to the bullish divergence, and I do like the way this is shaping it up and therefore could look towards 156.65 to 157.25. Looking at the weekly outlook, you can see gold still remains vulnerable after it took out the level overnight of 1,788. This has exposed the region of 1,738 to 41, and let's see if the market can hold from this region. As we look at the technicals from the daily, though, we are oversold, but the ADX is still trending quite firmly to the bear case. The immediate support is seen at 1,762, and as I mentioned, beneath there 1,738.41, which could see profit taking. Finishing up with oil, well, that also plummeted at 8% overnight, crushing the levels all the way down, and still from a technical point, I feel it's time to reevaluate the price where it currently holds. However, for those trading, may actually see further weakness down towards $95 a barrel. But I don't have a very strong view on this, just a short-term view. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look after the intraday port. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.